Hey guys, so today I'll be making some beef liver. What you'll need is beef liver cut in small pieces along with green seasonings and powdered seasonings of your choice. Today I'll be using bell peppers, garlic, scallion, thyme, allspice, all purpose, white pepper, and some paprika. We're gonna go ahead and mix it all in nicely, and then we're gonna add some soy sauce, and then I'm gonna allow this to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we're gonna come back and add some oil to the pot, allow it to heat on medium heat, add a piece of garlic to the oil, then go ahead and add the beef liver, mix it in nicely. Let's get it all in there. Nice. This is so colorful, and this is smelling so great. All the seasonings coming together is amazing. And for the sauce, we're gonna go ahead and add some ketchup to some water. Then we're gonna mix it in nicely, and this will give the sauce of the beef liver some definition. I prefer it this way. So we're gonna go ahead and get it in there, get it all in there. There we go. Then we're gonna allow this to cook. We're gonna cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna come back and our beef liver will be ready. This beef liver can be served with white rice or your own provision of your choice, or whichever side you choose. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys give this recipe a try and comment and let me know how did it go. If you like it, how did it turn out, or what else you guys would like to see me post. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for liking. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel.